The hottest web design trends. Number 1. 3D objects. Over the past 2 years, using 3D elements in web design has become a common practice. In 2019, and during the following years, designers will be integrating 3D objects into complex layered layouts and make them interactive. In this example, we see the history of basketball told using sleek 3D figures of NBA players. This design features all the other important modern trends: vivid colors, large types, interactivity, and video integration. 2. Geometry. Just like colors, shapes can be used to make accents and communicate ideas. Geometry acts as a compromise between harmonious minimalism and broken asymmetric experience. Full of texture and color, these shapes on the center glue the viewer's eyes to the page. Here, geometry is used to make accents and allude to the big red cross at the TEDx stage. It is combined with asymmetric grids and nice particle backgrounds. This trend is not completely new. We all remember that chaotic layouts were already trending. So, prepare to see designers ditching borders and leaving interactive 3D elements to float on the pages. This website invites you to use your keyboard to produce sound effects and see the 3D objects dance in the air. The design is both minimalistic and very engaging. 4. Video backgrounds. Video backgrounds are somewhat less popular now than they were in 2016 because of the increased importance of the load speed. However, in 2019 and beyond, we will be seeing the evolution of video integration in web design. This website integrates a video intro, background music, and widescreen photos. The portraits are breathtaking and high-res. 5. Broken grids. The grids we all use to help add content to a website in an aligned and consistent way. However, the new trend of using asymmetric grids and creating a broken experience for the viewer is at its peak now. As you scroll down this website, you see asymmetric modules moving at different speeds and captions coming up and disappearing from view. When the photo meets the text, the type changes, as if lurking from behind the photo. These effects make the website look both asymmetric and harmonious. 6. Expressive types. Bold typefaces have been rocking website design for quite a while now. Also, we see a lot of ruined, messy, 3D-filled, or cropped types. Here we see an awesome combination of irregular animated layouts, geometric shapes, brutalism, and of course, statement types. The design creates an impressive broken experience. 7. Damaged, layered images. The overall trend of destroying everything, from backgrounds to typography, includes breaking and experimenting with photos. What would have been unthinkable a few years ago, like a damaged character photo on the homepage. The complex design of this homepage features asymmetrical images sharing the red color palette and overlain with glitched shapes. The designer uses both vibrant red and muted beige colors and bold plain types. 8. Chaotic interactive textures. When it comes to backgrounds and textures, the same brokenness trend will no doubt apply. We will still see a lot of sepia and micro-damaged or bleached backgrounds. With a nice muted color palette and micro patterns that look like damaged texture, this design looks deep and inspiring. There is also a lot of geometry in the design. Edgy rectangles are combined with fluid rounded shapes to create complexity. 9. Dreamy colors. We saw a lot of color in web design, and the trend is here to stay. Vivid colors are used in more traditional flat designs or deeper semi-flat layouts. Rainbow palettes and deep, muted pastels will be equally popular. An amazing example of an interactive flat design that combines many of the trends we will be seeing in the following years. The character image is rendered in bright, contrasting colors. There are bright icons and animated scroll. 10. Brutalism. In 2019, we will be more and more reminded of the dawn of the internet through the brutalism in web design. Those who have grown tired of clean, flat layouts will enjoy brutal layouts straight from the 90s. These websites will feature just too many hover effects, animation, micro-interactions, big types, massive images, and web-safe colors. They are not meant to be maximally functional. They choose to overwhelm and impress. 11. Flat and not so flat. Flat design, as website aesthetics, has been with us since 2017 and is here to stay. Web owners love flat design for a better mobile experience and higher SEO rank. Designers and users enjoy smooth layouts, bright, beautiful imagery, and lots of white space. Here is an example of a beautifully made flat design website. There are few illustrations, but all of them are very captivating. 12. Hand-drawn illustrations. Watercolor illustrations, pastels, and sketches are nothing new in web design. In 2019 and later, we will see even more of them. Unique drawings will be getting even more complex, dynamic, and interactive. Here's an entirely different website that uses hand-drawn illustrations as both design and storytelling elements. By scrolling down, you reveal the timeline of American music rendered in awesome interactive illustrations. You can also launch a jazz playlist right on the website to get a comprehensive impression.